Video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign with AWeber. It's very easy to do. All you do, go to your AWeber dashboard area, click on where it goes to the tab that says messages, and click on it, and then select the campaigns drop down from the drop down menu, and that will then open you up to a page. Now initially the page that you'll see will be blank and not like as I've got with mine here. So you'll need to create a campaign, which should, if you've already created a list first, then it will tie in with the list that you've got. But you create a campaign there, and then that will open you up a page which will allow you to name that campaign. In this instance, I've named mine Prosperity Marketing Campaign because that's what my draft messages are for. And in the video that follows this, you'll be able to find out how to put your draft messages onto your campaign list, which is what this is for. Ties up with up here. That's my current list. And that's how you create your first campaign within AWeber. It's very easy to do. Just a reminder, go down to campaigns, click on that. That will then bring you to a page which will allow you to create the campaign. You give that campaign a name and then you save it, and then that's your first campaign sorted out within AWeber. If you want to get more videos uploaded or notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel, then simply click on the bell icon beneath the subscribe button, and you will be able to get notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel. My name is Dave, and you can find out more about me at davehayes.co. Thanks for watching this, and stay tuned for more.